There's no finality anymore.
An alleged youth development center victim who wants to remain anonymous told a judge today he feels betrayed with the state making changes to the way the YDC settlement fund is run, saying it took everything he had to just come forward once under the original process.
Even speaking to you guys was not easy at all. It was a task that took months, that took a very long time for me to open up. And I honestly don't know that I could do that again, but it was probably one of the hardest things I've ever had to do in my life.
An expert who specializes in child abuse and trauma also testified, telling the judge that changes to the process causes significant psychological harm to the alleged victims.
Most recently, the changes to the settlement fund constitute another major institutional betrayal. They're perceiving this as this institution, the state, having broken this important promise to them.
The settlement fund was set up to manage compensation to alleged victims who claimed they were abused while being held at state-run facilities. The Attorney General's office says the new setup, which allows the governor to appoint the administrator, is the most transparent and neutral process. Some former YDC residents disagree and hope their lawsuit stops the new law in its tracks.
I think no matter what the outcome of these cases, you're going to see the decision appealed to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court's going to have to make the ultimate decision here about whether or not the state can break its promises to these victims.
The judge is now taking this under advisement. No word on when he'll make his decision. Reporting live in Concord tonight, I'm Mike Moses, WMUR News 9.